Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm going to show you how to delete all your comment history on TikTok. So unfortunately in TikTok you can't delete all your comments with one button, with one switch. But there is alternative way that you can do that, is which by going to the three lines at the top right, and you go to privacy and settings, right? And you're gonna just report a problem after you scroll down. All right, so you're gonna just specify the field of your problem, and we're gonna choose follow, likes, comments. Right, next you're gonna see the follow section and following count users inaccurate. We're gonna click inaccurate following count. Okay, so we're gonna just click on this, right? And as you can see right here, you're gonna just press no, and you're gonna just click need more help, and you gotta just type in your feedback that please delete my comments. And after you finish, you're gonna just hit submit, and you're gonna wait 48 to 72 hours to get a response. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Lastly, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.